Dalai Lama Ji is a blessing to the world, and his message is very clean, clear and bold, that we are here on this earth to be in peace, not in pieces. How we can make this world a better world, not a bitter world. We are seeing the wars everywhere, but his clear message is not war, but the peace. Peace is the way, love is the way, compassion is the way. Healing is the way, help is the way, and His Holiness given always this beautiful a green message. And we celebrate together here 90th celebration. I think it's not here only in Dharamshala. This is the blessing to the world.
이제 마찬가지로 못되겠다. 하나, 저 로카션 나로냐, 아주 시시영동 때문에 이거를 근데 뭐 되고 저대로 이제 뭐 되고지 성出되고 뭐 되고지 성배시다시네 성出想的要要嘛而且 그래서 담보요리 담보 다 생일이 사람이 이시세죠.
We are not escaping from that. We have dealt for the centuries and we will deal with that.
Message of the Buddha. When the Buddha was passing away and his followers surrounding him and weeping and crying, when you are gone, the light is gone, who is going to replace you? The Buddha said, when I am gone, my teaching is my representative. He did not appoint any one single individual as a representative. So, to be correct, we should, think about this, not just thinking about one person, but the universal message. And message will remain forever.
So understand this. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, with his message of knowledge and tradition and compassion and purity of soul and love, he will live a long time and his legacy will live forever. But to you, President of China, you'll be gone and nobody will give you credit for anything.
I will reborn on this planet and serving humanity as much as I can. That's practical. Sashtikarya, Chikta Mekiagar Reseni, Chiktona Charabchita, any Chibmanam Chiptarchiki, Ibiori, so the Hindu Samarolia, Tushis Shuin, and a Kanda Chinalia, Chiksemne, Chikta Nyoru Cheche, Diana, Nalia, Kiagag. Tuzilia, Chata Yakshid, Karquareslavna, Jan Sabasamashi, Chiksem Chiktos, 2 days or 콩도 사야 서로 지금 낙심 내심 기야 소리는 염에 그돌이야 내 돈도 장가시 죄송 어떤 삼바삼 붙이다 나도 나리야 버드데이 차다 약속이 되리 사들이 인디 대무수 여가수이네다 점리션 질링 디샨다 셔버려 되게기 내 조금 참을로 디스마셔로 치사이
Best gift for me on birthday, please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate. And myself, I can assure to you, the rest of my life, I committed serving humanity and protection of climate, the condition. So, since I become a refugee, now settled in India, I fully utilize India's freedom and religious harmony. So, I want to assure to you, the rest of my life, I fully committed this work. And then also, you see, I really appreciate the Indian sort of concept, secular, without religion, but keep honest, karuna and ahimsa. So, dear my friend, on my birthday, this is my gift. I lost my own country. You see, this is not just my life story, but you see, many things you see involved. This kind of story can be helpful in dream. Almost, I think, never I feel I'm Dalai Lama. Only Buddhist monk. Sorry. Our approach, not based on faith or superstition, maybe occasionally a little superstition.
Time always moving. No force can stop that. I myself, you see, getting older and older. A lot of difficulties, a lot of challenge, but I have no regret. No regret. Life should be meaningful life, purposeful life. That's important.